Hello everyone, it's Dia. Today I'm back with this stunning red glam makeup look, and if you guys want to know more about the products and how I created this look, then keep on watching. So I'm starting off with this Pure UV sunscreen. I have already prepped my skin and I'm applying with my fingers all over my face. This will just protect your skin from tanning as well as provide that hydration. Next, I'm going on with this Laneige lip sleeping mask and applying on my lips. For foundation, today I'm going for Huda Beauty and the shade is Tres Leches. I'm applying it with a flat brush all over the face, and this will just keep your foundation intact and you don't leave any areas. And then I'm going on with the beauty blender for that natural finish look, and just dabbing the product and not like swiping it, and I'm just leaving the under eye area for the concealer. Then for concealer, I'm grabbing LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige and applying on the under area and highlighting my face. I'm blending and blending until and unless I get that smooth looking finish. Then for blush, I'm using this green blush from Candy Paint, and this one is in the shade Velvet Tiger, and applying it on the higher points of my cheeks and nose for that flushed look. For setting powder, I'm grabbing this Maybelline Lasting Fix powder and applying it mostly on the center part of my face and baking it. I'm leaving this for a while so that my makeup is sweat proof and it doesn't move at all. For bronzer, I'm grabbing this Kimchi bronzer and bronzing my cheekbone, forehead and jawline, and I'm taking a little amount of the product and then gradually building it. You can see the difference, how sculpted it looks. Then for highlighter, I'm using this light golden shade and highlighting my cheekbones, and I'm also putting on my on the bridge of my nose, forehead and chin, and this just gives that natural glow. For eyeshadow, I'm grabbing this light brown shade and using as a transition and blending it back and forth. And again, I'm going with this darker brown shade and applying mostly in the outer corner and blending it. Make sure you take your time while blending so that you don't get any harsh lines. For eyeliner, I'm grabbing this Joshua eyeliner pen and making a small winged liner. I'm making a small triangular shape and then building this color. I'm going for a thin eyeliner for this look. For mascara, I'm using this Smashbox Superfan mascara and coating my upper and lower lashes, and you coat it up to 2 or 3 times so that you get that fuller lashes. Then for a lip liner, I'm using this Lunar Magic lip liner and lining the outer lips and also shading it inwards. And then I'm taking this Anastasia Ruby Matte lipstick and filling my lips. This one gives that bright red look. And this is how the makeup turned out to be. You guys can try it out. If you guys liked my video, please don't forget to give it a subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next one.